All gypsum board manufacturers produce high-abuse, high-impact boards for special applications like schools or hospitals, college dorms, even prisons. But the corner bead is a critical part of the interior finishing system, so the folks here at strait-flex testing labs thought that it was important to produce a high-abuse, high-impact corner bead as well. Two products have been developed to meet that need, Big Stick and UNO-BEAD 300. Now today, we're going to be testing the impact resistance of those two products compared with other commonly used corner treatments, such as metal with mesh tape. Now for uniformity purposes, all of today's tests will feature Georgia-Pacific Dense Armor Plus with either quick-set or all-purpose drywall compound. Our test is called a hammer test. A pendulum-mounted weight will be dropped against each corner to be tested from the same height. That way, the angle, the force, and the impact of each test will be consistent. Okay, let's get started. Our first test will be with Big Stick and all-purpose drywall compound. Take a look. The compound's been knocked loose, but the corner bounced right back. Our next test will be with Big Stick and quick-set drywall compound. Notice that we'll start at the same 90-degree angle with the pendulum arm and drop the hammer. Once again, the compound has been damaged, but the corner bounces right back. Our next test will be Big Stick wired with all-purpose drywall compound. Just like before, the compound has broken away, but the corner is intact. Now let's test Big Stick wired with quick-set drywall compound. Again, we'll start from a 90-degree angle between the wall and the arm of the pendulum. Just like before, the drywall compound has been damaged, but the corner is intact and straight. Next, we'll test a metal and mesh tape combination with all-purpose drywall compound from a standard height. Compound is damaged, but that corner is never going to be the same. Our next test will be metal and mesh tape combination with quick-set drywall compound from the same standard height. Look how severe that damage is. Now we'll test Trim-Tex mud set with all-purpose drywall compound from the same height as before. Considerable damage that time too, but the corner bead is still straight and smooth. Next is our Trim-Tex mud set with quick-set drywall compound, again from our uniform height. Not only has the compound been knocked loose, but the corner bead is cracked on one side and popped loose on this side. Next up is No Coat Ultra Trim with all-purpose drywall compound. All the way up. The corner took a pretty good hit, and we've got some cracking along the side here. Now we'll do No Coat Ultra Trim with quick-set drywall compound from our standard height. Severe damage to the corner and considerable damage along the side as well. Now let's check out UNO-BEAD Wired with all-purpose drywall compound. Up to standard height. Knocked some compound loose, but the corner is completely intact. Next up is UNO-BEAD Wired with quick-set drywall compound from our standard height. Once again, compound's been knocked loose, but the corner came through with flying colors. We'll continue testing now with USG B1 and all-purpose drywall compound from the same height. Well, that corner is going to need some extensive work. Now we'll try USG B1 with quick-set drywall compound from the same height. Look how severe that damage is. Now that's going to take some work. Now for UNO-BEAD 300 with all-purpose drywall compound. Up to our same height. Severe damage to the compound, only slight damage to the corner. Now we'll test UNO-BEAD 300 with quick-set drywall compound from our standard height. The compound didn't do very well, but the corner came through fine. Well, you've seen the hammer test here in the strait-flex testing lab, and you've seen the results. Which corner treatment is best for you? Well, now you can make an informed choice. If you'd like more details or technical specifications, visit our website, www.strait-flex.com.